Scaling your blog to $50,000 a month and turning it into a six-figure income stream is an achievable goal with the right plan. Step 1. Develop a high-impact niche strategy. Focus on niches like personal finance, online education, or health and wellness. Identify profit potential and find gaps in competitor topics to establish authority in your niche. Step 2. Build a content empire. Create cluster content and hire writers to maintain quality and increase output. Repurpose content to maximize reach. Turn blog posts into videos, infographics, and social media posts. Step 3. Maximize traffic channels. Focus on SEO optimization and leverage social media marketing. Invest in paid advertising and collaborate with influencers to boost your blog's reach. Step 4. Diversify monetization streams. Promote high-ticket affiliate products and launch digital products. Partner with ad networks and create sponsored content to increase your revenue sources. Step 5. Focus on conversions. Ensure every post has a compelling call to action and engage email subscribers. Step 6. Automate and outsource. Use tools to automate tasks and hire help for non-core activities. Step 7. Analyze and adjust. Monitor your progress and adapt to industry changes for consistent growth. Real-life example. Affiliate marketing, digital products, ad revenue, and more can contribute to your $50,000 monthly goal. Final thoughts. By focusing on traffic growth, content quality, and monetization, you can turn your blog into a successful business.